wasn't decorating for Christmas on November 1st, and I didn't. It's the 2nd, but we are definitely getting started today. I wasn't going to decorate this weekend unless some magical little whim hit. You want to know what the whim was? My husband. Yesterday, he said how much of, like, in the Christmas spirit he already was, and we were going to decorate yesterday, but we had way too much going on. So now today, we're getting started. I've got my favorite sweater from last year on. It's got Max on the back. We're going to throw on some Christmas music and get this ball rolling. So we have bins here that we have to open, go through, and figure out where everything goes first, as well as down that hallway. There's 2 more bins, Chet, our Christmas tree truck, and the wreath container. Some of this, though, like there's ornaments and stuff over there, that's not going to get used yet. So the majority of that bin will be going right back outside. And then that's blankets and things for the couch, different foliage in this one. So just because there's a lot of bins doesn't mean that there's, overly stacked full in each bin. I always have so much fun doing the Christmas clean and decorate, and it gets more fun as I'm going. Like right now, putting little collars on the dogs, getting everything festive, and then moving these bins out of the way because the first thing that actually did go up was the Christmas tree, but there was a few items in this linen bag I needed to get in the washer. So that's why we started there. And I am going to jump into some very festive Christmas music because we're going to go back and forth between talking and music with this type of video. It just works and fits and sets the vibe in case you are cleaning and decorating with me at the exact same time. So don't worry, we will jump into music. I do want to mention though, I am using the Mrs. Meyer's in the peppermint scent for any of the surfaces and the spray wave for any glass or anything like that. Otherwise, let's go ahead and jump into some music while we put up this Christmas tree.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
One of the reasons I love this Christmas tree is it can go back and forth between colored lights or the plain white lights. When I was a kid, our tree always had twinkle lights on it and they were multicolored. So just for me, if I want that little bit of nostalgia for my childhood, I can turn it on multicolored lights. And I think that's why I really do love these trees because they're so beautiful no matter what. And the one in the dining room is the pencil version of the large one that is in my living room.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
On the fireplace, I'm putting in the command hooks. They are new. I'm trying them this year, and so far they've worked well. It's been up for a few days, and I'm looking at it, and it's perfectly fine in my living room. But what I wanted to do was get the command hooks on there and give them the at least hour it said. So we do come back to the mantle later, but that's why we're not continuing it now. And then you saw the almost completely gone bottle of peppermint. My daughters were using this in their bedroom, and I still have yet to find one other than on Grove's website. So once I find one nearby, I will get another one. And then the Perfect Christmas, is my favorite Bath & Body Works Christmas scent. And I have very little left in this particular candle, so we finished that one off on the day we decorated. And this evergreen diffuser oil, I found it last year on TikTok Shop. I literally just drip it on my trees, and it makes them feel like it's a real Christmas tree scent in here, but it doesn't do anything to the trees. It doesn't damage it. I make sure to stay away from the wires and the lights and only go on the foliage. But it adds so much scent, especially if I put it on the foliage by my front door because it's a smaller hallway. It works so well. And I have replaced the foliage on the front of this table right here that you're about to see me put, that little sad thing. I already replaced that this morning with something much better. And in a second, I'm leaving the audio in so you can see just how my husband feels about the next little project that we're going to be doing because he wasn't happy about it. And Stitch, he needs his nose painted. Chet.
Right now?
Chet.
Chet sucks, man. Look at my team.
I had to leave that audio in there because as much as we both love Chet and everyone in the house loves what he looks like, putting him together is not easy. There's little clips that are very hard to put in on his head, getting his wiring all done so his head moves correctly. The screws on his legs are catawonky. It is a very hard thing to put together, so my husband's not the giant fan of it. That's why he reacted that way, even though we do love this thing. And I ask every time we decorate with him and I show him, if you know what his name is from, let me know down below. It is from a Christmas movie, and we love it so much, and that's where he gets his name. Now, my mom, when she comes over to my house, she calls him Sven. She says, "Hi, Sven," and she absolutely loves to give him an entirely different name, and I know right now you know exactly where that one's from, but otherwise, hey, we can play a fun game and put that one in the comments, too.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. The rest just fades.
Every time I decorate, this front entry table is usually where I start, and it is my favorite place to start just because it's right by my front door. So if you enter while I'm working on everything, you just instantly get hit with those vibes because my garage door is here too. So no matter what, it's the entryway, and I love that. However, when it comes to Christmas decorating, that doesn't happen because all of my bins are on the wall right behind my butt right here. You can't see them, but they are everywhere. So it is just a nightmare to come out here and do this table first. I usually have to shift some bins around to even be able to get to this table. So it ends up being one of the later things that I do. Now, I have already completed all of the decorating. Part 2 is coming just a few days after you're seeing this video. And there's still just a few things that I need to work on, like the bottom of this entry table. It already looks different now from what you're seeing there. And I still don't really like it. It doesn't have any kind of glow. There's nothing going on. So that's one thing I needed to fix. I had to fix the foliage in front of the living room TV. I handled that personally this morning. There's just a few little things from part 1 and 2, but I don't want to make a third. I refuse to do that to you guys. I think 2 parts to decorate is absolutely more than enough. And now we're going to move back into the fireplace. And those little command hooks, I will say they are fantastic. But I didn't realize the second pieces that I'm putting in, that they are picks. I thought I had 2 big pieces of foliage. I don't. So it looks a little weird to me, even still sitting here. It's got little bumps. So I don't know if I will actually, now that I know how to get it hung off the front of the fireplace, I don't know if I will switch that up. I am still looking for another one of them ornaments right there, that big glowing gold ball. I bought it at Walmart, I think 2 years ago now. They don't have them anymore. They just have a smaller red version. I can't find it. I'm trying though, because I would really like one on the other side and just make it more symmetrical. I'm gonna try. That's the best I can say. And then the dining room is very simple. It is just a little piece on the middle of the table. That way, if I have to move it, I can, and we can have our family dinners. But otherwise, nothing too big and crazy for the dining room. Decorating got paused for dinner time, and I will show you why I have not touched the kitchen yet, because I knew what we were doing for dinner tonight, and we decided to do like a real good hometown like Sunday dinner. Our son Aiden has been asking for Connor's fried chicken for weeks, and he's been so busy, and we finally had the opportunity, so we took it and we baked. Like, my husband wanted a cake, I took one of his cake mixes, has nothing to do with Christmas, but my whole kitchen's a mess and we want to hang out with the kids, so we will jump back into a little more cleaning for this video before they go, like once they go to bed. We'll do that before I end this one, but I'm going to show you the mess we're dealing with in my kitchen. Windows are open because it feels amazing outside. This is just a few drink mess from dinner. The big white pillows from fall will be the pillows on the couch for Christmas. The other ones are still in the dryer. Hopefully I'll be able to bring those and that blanket out soon, but that blanket looks like it got discolored. I'm hoping for the best. My house is utterly confused. We have hollow Thanksmas going on over here because I've got all the rest of my Halloween kitchen stuff ready to be put away, as well as some of it is just pumpkin, but I'm still going to go ahead and put that away for now. And all the Halloween blankets, they finally got washed, the aprons, so all this needs to get put away so I can bring out all the Christmas stuff. If you've been around a while, you know that I absolutely love when my husband cooks, and I love his food when he cooks. I do not love the mess of when my husband cooks, because this lovely splatter of oil everywhere is from my husband's fried chicken. There's flour all over that counter. Everything back here, if I would have put decorations up, they all would have already needed to be cleaned. This is why I haven't touched the kitchen yet. And the man knows how to make a million dishes. So we have a massive amount of dishes still to handle. My husband wanted lemon cake. This is why I said it has nothing to do with Christmas. We have lemon cake for dessert tonight. But yeah, this is the mess we are dealing with. And there's oil splattered all through this area. Luckily, it didn't get on any of that stuff back there. Now moving into the floors, vacuuming, mopping, all that, closing down the house, turning off all the decorations that we just put up over the last few hours, Mako all cozy on the couch. This is just how this dog is, but we love him because you're about to see him go nuts over the mop soap that my husband's trying out. This was our first time using it, and it was absolutely beautiful. The pumpkin spice one was still better, though. I'm going to go ahead and put that out there. But if you are new and you did enjoy what you saw, I really hope you consider sticking around. Part 2 is coming your way, and I have so many fun holiday videos on the way after this one.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year
Mopping is done. We didn't do the front hallway yet because all them bins are still out there, and mopping around those would be kind of stupid, so I'll handle that tomorrow or the next day when I jump back into more decorating. But this is where I'm going to call it for part 1. As you can tell, the kitchen is still completely blank slate. I have to do the kitchen, the kids' bathroom, anything I'm doing to our bedroom, plus who knows what else I might find. We will not be decorating the trees, as I said, until we sit down together as a family a little closer to Thanksgiving and then put all the decorations up on the trees. But daylight savings time is kicking our butts. I'm ready for bed. The kids are already in bed. He's cleaning that up, and then he's ready too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say goodnight. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you're new, subscribe, thumbs up. If you want another one like this, you're gonna get part 2 in about 2 to 3 more days. So don't worry, there's plenty more of the cleaning and decorating coming your way for Christmas. I'm so excited. I love all the holidays, and I've had so much fun with you guys for Halloween. And now we get to jump into all the Thanksgiving recipes and appetizers, cookie recipes, all the Christmas. I'm so excited. But I'm gonna shut up now and say goodnight. So I'll see you next one. Bye guys.